Hello and welcome you all to my YouTube channel English Lovers. And in this series of everyday verbs, today I am going to teach you the verb take and its collocations with other verbs. Friends, the verb take is very commonly used verb in our day-to-day language or in our day-to-day communication. So we should know its proper usage. So in this lesson, we are going to see some fixed expressions or some collocations with take. So let us get started. So the first usage of take is take with time, or you can say it plus take plus person plus time. For example, it takes Jim 20 minutes to get to the work, or it takes Jenny 45 minutes to get to the work. So what does it mean here? So here it means that Jim or Jenny's house is that minutes away from the office. So when we say it takes Jim 20 minutes to get to the work, it means Jim's office is 20 minutes distance away, maybe in a car or in a bus from his house. So here takes time. Or we can say I go to school or college or university every day. It takes me 30 minutes. So every day the time that I need to reach to college or university or school is 30 minutes. Or we say I do homework every day. It took me 2 hours yesterday. So how much time did I need to complete the homework yesterday? So 2 hours. Or you can say, how long does it take to get to the station? So you can say, it takes 45 minutes in a taxi to get to the station. It takes 45 minutes. Okay, so it means you need 45 minutes in a taxi to reach to the station. Or how long did it take you to learn the Greek alphabet? Okay, so you can say it took 1 or 2 weeks for me to learn the Greek alphabets. So here takes time or take time means the time that you need, that you require to do, to complete that activity or to reach that particular destination. So this is take with time. Next expression with take is take something with you. Here take means to carry something with you. For example, we say, are you going out? Take an umbrella. It's raining. So here take an umbrella means carry an umbrella with you. Or we say, are you going to the beach? Take some water with you. Here also take means carry some water with you. Or we say, you can't take your camera into the museum. So here it may be an instruction outside the museum and it says that you can't take your camera. It means you can't carry your camera with you into the museum. So here in all these expressions, take something with you means carry something with you. So this is also the meaning of take. Take means to carry. There are some fixed expressions with take. So which are these fixed expressions that we use with take? So we are going to study. So we say take a course. So what does it mean when we say take a course? For example, the sentence like, are you taking an English course? So what does it mean? It means, have you registered your name for some English course? Or have you joined some English course? Answer may be yes or no. So take a course. It means to join some course, to register your name for some course. Okay, next is take an exam. So you say, do you have to take an exam? Okay, so take an exam means appear for the exam. So you say, yes, at the end of the semester, I have to take an exam. So here, take an exam means appear for the exam. Next is take a lesson. So what does it mean, take a lesson? So take a lesson means to learn some units or some points into that particular thing. Okay, for example, I want to take some Japanese lessons. So in this sense, when I say like this, I mean I want to learn some Japanese. Okay. Or you can say take a class. It is another expression. So what does it mean, take a class? Take a class means attend a class. For example, you could just come in, sit down and take a class. So a teacher can say to the student. So what does it mean, take a class? Take a class means attend a class, to sit in the class and listen to the lecture. So next usage of take is take the bus or taxi or train. For example, if somebody asks you, how do you get to work? So you can say, I take the bus. Or how does Alan get to work? He takes the train. Or he takes the taxi. Or you can say, in London, you can take the underground to the London Museum. So what does it mean, take the underground? Here underground means it is metro rail service. So that is take the underground. Or you can say, we took a taxi from the airport to our hotel. So here also took a taxi, that is in the past form of take, that is took. So take the bus or take the taxi or take the train or take the underground. It means that you take the service of that means of transportation and you get to your work or wherever you want to go. So this is another use of take. Next expression with take is take a photo or take a photograph or take a picture. So you can say, can I take a photo or can I take a photograph or can I take a picture? It's a very common situation in our life. Next is take a look. What does it mean when we say take a look? Take a look means look very carefully. For example, I'll take a look at the website and let you know what I think about it. So here take a look means I'll look very carefully. Next is take a nap. N-A-P, nap. Nap means a very short sleep in the afternoon, particularly after lunch. So every day I take a nap after lunch. So take a nap. Next is take a decision, or you can also say make a decision. So either make or take you can use. So example like, I'm not very good at taking decisions, or I'm not very good at making decisions. Next is take a shower, S-H-O-W-E-R. It can also be used with the verb have a shower. So I'll take a shower just before the lunch. Next expression with take is take medicine. So when you are sick, you see the doctor and doctor gives you medicines. So you can say take medicines when you are sick or take medicines when you don't feel well. Next expression with take is take a call. So take a call means answer the phone or answer the call. So the sentence can be, I apologize for the delay. Apologize means to say sorry because I had to take a call. So here take a call means I had to answer a call. Next expression is take a holiday. So take a holiday means you go somewhere to some tourist places to spend some time, to spend some days or weeks. So you can say the sentence like, he had intended to take a holiday in New York. Okay, to take a holiday in New York. And the last expression with take is take a risk. Okay, so you can say he always takes risks. Okay, take a risk, always accept the danger involved in that particular situation. That is take a risk. So friends, these are all the expressions with take. I hope you understood this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. And if you are new to my channel, remember to subscribe it to get the notifications of my latest videos right here on YouTube. Enjoy learning and I'll see you soon in another lesson. Thank you.